What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are organizing the laundry room slash mud room underneath the sink and the linen closet. So those are the last two spots in the house that really need to be organized. I have been in nesting mode, you guys, since I was like 20 weeks pregnant, like pure nesting mode, going crazy, organizing and cleaning the entire house. At this point, my entire house is fully organized except for these two spots. So these are the last two areas of the house that I really just want to tackle, and I just have the itch to like tackle and get clean and organized for the baby, especially the laundry room, because underneath the laundry room sink is so messy, you guys. Like, it's the messiest. I think you guys are gonna be shocked because it's crazy. Like, it's to the point where I can't find things, and when I go to search for things, other things fall. Like, it's wild. So real quick, before we get into the organizing, I want to give a huge shout out to Top Cashback. They are sponsoring today's video. I love Top Cashback. I have been using them for forever. They're so easy to use. If you don't know what they are, you basically get cash back when shopping, and organizers can get expensive, okay? So with Top Cashback, you can save money, and who doesn't want to save money? I don't know about you guys, but I'm gonna shop anyways. I might as well be getting money back. So of course they have so many different retailers, not just for organizers, but they have Container Store, they have Amazon. In my experience too, it's very easy to use Top Cashback. You just download their little browser extension. That way when you're doing your regular shopping, it's just easy to integrate Top Cashback right in there. You just go ahead and click it, super easy to use. I also love how there's no minimum payouts. So a lot of the times these kind of companies will kind of make a minimum payout for you to be able to get paid, but with Top Cashback, if you want your cash back right away, no matter what the amount is, you can get that cash back right away. So you guys can actually get a $10 sign up bonus when you spend $25 through Top Cashback through my link. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave my link down below if you're interested in checking them out. And as always, I will link all of the organizers that I'm using down below in today's video, but I'm gonna probably eat some lunch right now because I'm just filming this intro. I'm gonna eat some lunch and I'm gonna pop back in and we're gonna go to town on I'm trying to get everything done before the baby, you guys. I'm trying to get everything done before April, more specifically, before the first week of April, because I'm trying to relax those last few weeks before baby comes. So no days off, okay? I'm gonna go eat some lunch, and then we're gonna tackle the laundry room and the linen closet. Okay, you guys, so we're heading into my mud room right now. I don't think I've ever showed you guys my mud room. So I'm actually planning on renovating my mudroom. As you can see, it's very plain, no counters, no cabinets, nothing. So definitely plan to renovate, but it keeps moving down the list of like priorities. So I don't know when we'll do that. But anyways, here's a quick little tour of my mudroom. I honestly love having a mudroom, you guys. It just makes everything, it's just awesome because all of the clutter can stay in here throughout the week, and a lot of dirt just collect. Like, I vacuum this rug like every 2 days, and dirt just is constantly being brought in and out. So it's nice to just have everything in the mudroom. I actually recently did this so much nicer. It was so much messier before. It's hard to see because I have all the organizers stacked and I have some IKEA returns, but I actually have a really nice bench here now that I got from Wayfair, and we have some little bins to put accessories and a lot of shoe storage underneath and some hooks. So it actually looks so much better than it did before. Like, before it was a mess. I had like plastic boot trays. Like, it's just so nice to have the bench now. Basically underneath this sink, you guys, is so messy, and I need to clean it because this is like where I go for walks a lot of the time, so I keep sugar stuff in there, and every time I go for walks, like, and I go to grab something, like, things literally fall apart. And obviously this is where I do laundry, so whenever I go to grab like dishwasher, like, this is just not practical. So I'm really looking forward to getting this organized today. So like I said, these are the organizers that I got. Most of them are from Home Edit because I just absolutely love these drawers that they have. And then I got these bottles from Amazon to put the detergent in. A little scoop. How cute is this? So again, mostly Amazon, and Home Edit from Canadian Tire. And I think if you're in the US, you can get it from Container Store. Okay, so I'm thinking what I need to do first is literally just empty everything. But as I'm emptying, I'm going to put everything in like separate piles based on the category of what they are. By the way, as you guys can see, I removed my makeup after I filmed the intro. I literally had to go eat because I was so hungry. 8 months pregnant over here. Just went to go eat some lunch, remove my makeup, and just like get in like comfy PJs. So we're just gonna chill, nest, clean, and organize. I'm looking forward to getting this organized because the way this cabinet intimidates me is insane. Like every time I have to grab something from it, I get so like just like anxious because everything just like falls out. Like look at how unstable this is. It's just a mess. Yeah, you see your stuff? You see your stuff? Don't worry, I'm not getting rid of it, baby. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is mad dirty underneath there, so I'm gonna go get the surface cleaner and a cloth and clean that. Okay, so now it is time to lay out the organizers where I plan them. I kind of already measured everything and planned ahead. Hopefully my measurements were right and everything fits how it's supposed to. It looks like it is so far. Yep, it just perfectly fits. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a pipe right here. Like I know there's a pipe here, but there's one right here too. And that back drawer bumps into it, so it is just perfect. And there's like this really awkward space in the middle here, but I found this in my basement. I have like a bunch of organizers down in my basement stored, so I found this little random skinny organizer that fits right there perfectly. I'm just putting these little rubber feet. If you guys watch my organizing videos and you know what these are, these little rubber feet are great so that the organizers don't slide around. And then I have this organizer that fits perfectly up here, and it's perfect because it's an open front organizer. Since there's not too much height here, if it was a closed organizer you would barely be able to get in, but because it's an open organizer you can access it nicely and it still has a nice space. So I think in this bottom bin I am going to put cleaning cloths and laundry bags. So I'm putting the larger laundry bags on the left and the smaller laundry bags on the right. This will make it easy because anytime I'm doing laundry, I'm always like picking them all up and trying to find the big one, trying to find the small one. So now it's just easy. Big ones on the left, smaller ones on the right. So I think for this drawer, I'm going to put some cleaning products. So I have these cleaning brushes, sanitizer spray, so because this little organizer is literally so random, it's only 3 inches wide, so there's not that many things that are gonna fit there. It actually would make the most sense for me to put extra poop bags there. So this entire drawer is just Sugar's section. We have his grooming, we have his towel and his drying mats whenever his feet are all wet or whenever I give him a bath. And then up here is like easily accessible stuff for him. So his leash, his harness, and his little booties. These are great to just have like super easy access to grab and put back really quickly. So I got these really cute little bottles off of Amazon. You can put so many things in them. So I have my liquid detergent here that I thought would be perfect for here. And then of course when you want to pour it, it has the perfect little pour thing up there. Now I also got these cute little labels off of Etsy. I will leave the exact Etsy shop down below. And how pretty does that look, you guys? You could, of course, keep the scoop that it comes with, but you guys know me. I went ahead and got these cute little clear scoops from Amazon. Like, how cute are these, you guys? so cute. I love them. Two bags actually fill an entire container, which is really cool because that first bag that you guys saw was brand new. Like I had only used, I think, 3 or 4 pods from there. Look at how good that looks. I am so happy with how it turned out, you guys. So I ended up actually switching the center over there. I took out the poop bags because it just wasn't aesthetic, honestly. And I had these extra dryer balls and I was like, ooh, why not put the dryer balls there? And they ended up fitting perfectly and the label is there too. So I just ended up putting the poop bags in the back in that drawer. Okay, so it's actually been a little while because I have been waiting for organizers to come in the mail and they took forever. But finally here, and honestly, this is the linen closet. It is quite messy, but it's not horrible. And honestly, my plan for this is just to like tidy it up. Like I don't have any like crazy transformations to do in this area. It just needs a tidying and I bought those really cute bins. So yeah, let's go ahead and do it. So this is what we're working with as a full overview. Okay, so I'm just organizing the baskets and kind of just putting what I need in it. So for this one, we have like extra linens, extra little mini towels that I don't use often, but they do come in handy. And then this is our throw blanket that we throw over the bed when I make it look nice and everything. This is actually gonna hold some backups for now. And there we have it. I feel like that looks really good. So I actually got these really great little acrylic dividers from Amazon, and these are awesome because you can just put them and kind of just create that nice separation. So I actually think that another one of these medium-sized bins would look so nice over here and just very clean, but I don't have another one. I might buy it or I might just not. So for now I'm just using what I have, which is this really nice spinning organizer. I'm gonna put some cleaning products in there. Okay, so I just finished and I feel like that looks so much better. So obviously this is like a little bit of an eyesore, but it's just practical to have it there. But yeah, I feel like that looks really good and just a nice little quick cleanup for the linen closet. And here's a bit more of a close-up. So I really love these acrylic dividers. I feel like they just make this space look organized, even though you may not technically need them. Just like good little separators. So that is it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this organizing video. It was like the last 2 spots in the house that I had to organize, and I feel good now that it's all done. Don't forget to check out Top Cashback. You can get a $10 sign up bonus when you spend $25 through Top Cashback, so I will leave my link down below. And yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.